welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing something simple. For the very first time we are going to do a DIY. Okay, so Valentine is approaching and I thought of doing something for my very good friend. He's actually a guy. So I had so many thoughts from the beginning, but then I've settled for one. Before I wanted to order something for him, but now I want to do something by myself so that we can get to film and enjoy ourselves and have fun, So I have my things ready and we are going to get into the video very soon. I'm going to do something very simple for him and nice equally, and I hope he likes it. Val's Day is coming and everybody's so excited about it. Sit back, watch, subscribe, like, leave a love comment. Like I say, I love you and I know you love me right back. So sit down and enjoy yourself and learn something from this tutorial so that you can do something by yourself at home. So let me not talk plenty, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm here with you, so let's get right into it. But first of all, I'm going to show the things that I used, the items that are going to be in the box. I have my edibles. I got one Twix, a bar of Twix, then a bar of Mars chocolate. Then I saw this wafer. I like the packaging and it was less expensive, so I decided to get it. I got 2 of these. Then I got Tic Tac, 1 container of Tic Tac. So yeah, that's it. Then I decided to go for Axe product. So I got this Axe perfume provocation. I don't know. Then I got the Axe body wash here. It's for a guy, so I tried as much as possible to make everything look all black and masculine. And I got this Axe body spray, deodorant spray. I got this. Then I got this Dove Beauty cream bar. I didn't get the dark box. I got this. Then he's always been complaining about getting a bottle for himself, so I decided to get this. I didn't get a very dark bottle. That's what I got. At least it's purple, it's not pink, so it's good for a guy. Then I got a mug. Yeah, I got this mug and this is a darker color, so yeah. So going into the design, what to write, I saw a card, but then I didn't want to buy the card because everybody would be going for Val's Day card and all that. I didn't like that. And then most of the writings inside the cards were for either a wife or a husband or a boyfriend or something. So I decided to do something on my own. So I actually took a sticky note, then I perforated it. I created my own holes in it. Punched the holes inside myself. Then I did something with these pens, this neon pen and this black pen. So I just did something on my own. And then here is written, "Hey, thank you for always being there for me. You are awesome, XOXO." Then when you flip, it says, "May we always be there for each other. Haters gon' hate and potatoes gon' potat. But I love you. Happy Val's Day." So yeah. And right behind this paper, I did my own thing. I don't know how they call this, but my own code. I actually put my birthday there and then I wrote mark cards over there. I don't know if you can see, concentrate. Yeah. So I'll put this one inside the box and I'll put this one outside the box. So this one says, I also got another sticky note, a white sheet. Now, Happy Val's Day. Then it says here, "Open me." So I did the same thing at the back, and I'm going to pull this string inside it and tie it to the box like that. So it says "Open me," and when you open it, you find these things inside. Okay, so now we are going to put everything inside the box and let's see how it goes. This is my box. I got this box for a very, very affordable price. I didn't want to go for the whole red thing and then it will make it look like, I mean it's Val's Day, but I didn't want to go into the whole, so I got this masculine color. This is how it looks. This is how the box comes. It has a bow tie here. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'll put this, and hey, on this bottle on this mug I designed an A on it. I mean that's the first letter of his name, so I designed an A on it, and I use this Sharpie pen. I've had this pen for a very long time. I'm actually looking for some to buy in Ghana and I'm not getting. So if you're outside the country, maybe in US or UK, and then you see some and you want to buy for me, why not? So I did that design with this. I actually cut out an A, the letter A, and then I pasted it on it and I dotted the mug with this Sharpie pen. I mean it's oil based, so it won't clean. Even if it will, not now. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to put this like that so that it can fit inside the box. Then I'll go in with this. At least this matches with this, you know. I'll put it right here. Then I'll put the gel right. Oh wait, sorry, one thing. I actually cut out these papers. Oh, I almost forgot. I actually cut out these papers. I painted some of them and then I cut out the rest of the whites. I painted some of them black and I cut them out. So I'm actually going to base the box with this. Put them inside the box. Like that. Then I'll put my mug in my bottle inside it. Then I'll put the axe here, right here. Oh, sorry. This right here. Another one goes here. Then I go in with it right here. Then the soap. Everybody should try that. It's very good. Right here. Then I'll put my edibles inside. So first I'll go with this wafer. I'll put it here. And I'll put another wafer here. Then I'll put my twigs right here. And my Mars here as well. Then my TikTok. I put my TikTok here. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys can see. This is it. This is the end product of everything that we've been trying to do. So once this is done, I'm going to have my inscription on it like that. Wait. Okay, let me put it here. Then I'm going to cover it and have this, the open me tag right here. Pass it through this ribbon and tie it here. So yeah, it's tight. Happy Val's Day, open me. So our box is ready for delivery. Okay, so that's it. Let's wrap up and sign out. So we are done with everything, and that was pretty much my DIY gift box for Valentine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, subscribe to my channel. If you are old here, you know how we do it. You watch, you like, and you leave a love comment. Like I say, I love you and I know you love me right back. But if you are now coming in, you are most definitely welcome to my channel. See you in another video. Definitely we are going to be doing lots and lots of DIYs, and yeah, that is it. So stay with me, don't go anywhere, stay out of trouble, drink a lot of water, and I'll see you in another video.